gosh, it's literally Princess Diana. It's just happening right here. Feeling very British today, channeling a British schoolgirl. So excited. We are thrifting London Fashion Week street style today. That's what we're doing. I've been having so much fun doing this series where I am thrifting the street, which means I'm thrifting all the street style inspiration from, we started with Copenhagen, last week we did New York, this week we're doing London, and we're just basically taking all of the inspiration from what we are seeing during these fashion weeks all around the world, and then we're heading to the thrift store and taking the challenge to basically come up with looks that are inspired by what I saw during Fashion Week. And this one is all about London. I wanted to let you know first that this video is sponsored by HomeAglow. I have worked with them for the last few months and it's one of my favorite things right now. HomeAglow is a 5-star house cleaning service that is ridiculously affordable and so convenient. It's the easiest thing because you can just go online on their website, you can pick the date that you want to have a cleaner, you get to select from the cleaners that are local to your area, you can read reviews on them, and then submit your application to have your home cleaned and then have your cleaner show up to your house in a few days. And I really love it too because I get to support cleaners in my local area. 100% of the fee goes to the cleaners. So I just really love that I am getting to work with people in my area right here and that they're getting 100% of the fee. Just to share how this all works, you go to the HomeAglow website, you choose your day and time that you'd like your cleaner, you select the duration of the cleaning that you want, and then you'll actually see the available cleaners and you can just schedule it right then and there. I went ahead and was able to book somebody to even come on the weekend, which I really loved. I had a day where I knew we were going to be out of the house, and so that was a Sunday, and I was able to have a cleaner come and clean. And then I came home and my house felt perfect for my week ahead. And truly, I have never experienced such detailed cleaning as I've had with HomeAglow. Little areas that never get touched are getting cleaned, little grooves inside microwaves, on my oven, all the different areas, little nooks and crannies are all getting cleaned. And I absolutely have loved my experience. So make sure to click the link down below, take home cleaning off of your plate, and go to homeaglow.com/Jones and you'll be able to book your first cleaning for only $9. All right, can you see I was channeling some London schoolgirl vibes? That was something that I was inspired by with some of the street style, and I'm excited. I'm gonna share a few things that I'm noticing and some inspiration, and then we're gonna head to the thrift store. Also, I just wanna mention that you can go to my Pinterest link down below. I have all of these images pinned in separate folders, so you can check out Copenhagen Fashion Week, New York, and then also now London. And I've been updating them too whenever I see new images pop up somewhere. So anyways, if you want to click that link down below to check out this inspiration for yourself, feel free to do that. So when it comes to London Fashion Week, I feel like London is fun. I don't know, like I feel like it's not as serious. Like I feel like people have a really good time dressing up for London. And I think even some of the inspiration comes from some of the designers. In particular, let's just mention Vivienne Westwood, who we lost last year, and she has just been such an inspiration for British people and the world for so long. And as you know, I'm so inspired by her and her work. And so I feel like there's a lot of inspiration of punk in London Fashion Week because of Vivienne Westwood and that punk that she brought to the table and was so inspiring. So there's definitely some punk influence for sure in London Fashion Week. Also, the home of Chapova Loena, which you can actually see. I found a Chapova skirt at Crossroads. I couldn't believe it and was able to buy it for myself. And so I have one of those, which I love. And you see some of the influence of Topova and even people wearing her skirts in London Fashion Week. And then because of Simone Rocha, I feel like there's some romance with this, I don't know, there's a punk element to Simone Rocha as well, like very stomper shoes with big, you know, billowy sleeves, and but also like that feminine influence. So I feel like because of some of those shows, you see the influence in the street style. Also, I'm wearing a Burberry shirt because Burberry is a big inspiration. And I feel like I see within London Fashion Week some kind of British prep style using plaids and tartans, and of course like the Burberry plaid. So I see that as well, and a little bit of that kind of menswear in the mix. And then there's this schoolgirl kind of aesthetic as well, with Mary Janes and socks and almost like a sweetness mixed. It's like tomboy. It's a mix of masculine and feminine in there as well. And I just feel like people just have fun during London Fashion Week with a use of color, and also some inspiration of what's called Sloane Ranger, which the idea is kind of that, you know, British polo match slash hunting season feel with the Ralph Lauren ideal as well, with tweeds and khaki and browns. And I even think of Princess Diana when she was kind of in the earlier years with her lamb sweater and her chino pants and tweedy jackets, you know, Queen Elizabeth off for a walk kind of vibe. So I feel like you see a little bit of that in the inspiration from London Fashion Week as well. I really love London and London Fashion Week. I actually lived in London. My dog is deciding to eat right now. I lived in London for about 6 months and was able to study there for a semester of school, and it was such a magical time. And I feel like London actually was definitely kind of an awakening for me within my personal style. I came back from that and was actually very sure that I wanted to work in fashion. There's a little bit of my backstory and how much I love this city, so it's always really fun to see London Fashion Week. But I think we should go to the thrift store now, and Diana's actually here already. Here, wait, I have to show you her outfit. She showed up also inspired by kind of like British schoolgirl with her kind of
little platform shoes.
Yes,
I feel my little vest.
I know, it's like a Y2K spin on.
Yeah,
British.
I wanted to like edge it up too.
Got
like
cute little. What are those called?
I think they're just like hair clips, like hair styling.
Yeah,
clips.
I like that.
And then yeah, my little cheetah blazer. Kind of cute.
And cute shoes. What are these?
They're Steve Madden platform
Ooh.
shoes, and then I have my tights, and then they're like little lace, little scandalous.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Ooh, that's fun. And then I feel like we both went with the chunky shoe.
Yes.
Love it. Let's go to the thrift stores. Let's do this. Off, I just spotted this fun print maxi skirt. Definitely skirts are having a moment. I feel like this could be a really cute base to work with for a street style look. I just found this suede wrap dress, which I'm obsessed. It's so 70s. It actually has, it looks like it could be maybe an 80s tag, but look at the interesting Samuel Robert. And then this kind of reminds me of more of the kind of classic camel colored looks that I saw on street style. So this is very fun. I'm excited about this. I'm definitely looking for, you know, tweed knit pieces. I love this really cozy sweater with this really thick roll neck right here. Roll neck, I think that's what they even call it in England. This piece, just a Target piece, but I did pull this out because I thought of Simone Rocha with some of the voluminous layering that she does. I feel like if I want to create something inspired by Simone Rocha, this would be a really great piece for that. Ooh, you know I love this. I love this blazer. Also, I was looking definitely for some plaid options, and I feel like this is such a perfect double-breasted blazer with that really bold plaid. London street style. Classic, very British feeling. I love this overcoat with kind of a very subtle plaid print. I love the inside too. Very cute. Like it would go with my outfit. Here's another new piece with Zara. Definitely could be something for a Simone Rocha inspired look. This reminds me of a very Fair Isle style of sweater. Again, another little Eddie Bauer piece, but this could be a good option to mix in. Layer over.
Then whatever you don't want, put on that okay?
What I'm thinking is actually, I feel like I have a few pieces that I'm very excited about. In particular, really do love this. I feel like this could be a great piece to work with, and I love this blazer as well. So I think I'm going to stick with creating something with those. And then I also think this is really cool too. So I might just start off here and then kind of go around the store and see what I can create. And I definitely think like a tall boot could be really cute with this. Maybe like a turtleneck underneath, a layer on top. I like that idea. I'm gonna maybe do it like a menswear Annie Hall maybe moment with that. Actually, I just said Annie Hall, and then I was like, what am I thinking? I should do a Princess Diana, like a very sophisticated Princess Diana moment with that. And I like this little black hat that I found. This reminds me of Princess Diana. I think this is Lord and Taylor too. So maybe something here. But I also really like this blazer. I think this is super classic. Look at these buttons here. Like it has a crest on them, which makes me feel very British. Let me go to the men's section and see if I can find any cool pants. And I'm gonna also look at the women's pants too. Let's go. These black pleated pants. They're a little big, but I feel like with the belt they could be really kind of fabulous, and I feel like they could actually work with this blazer or this one, which I really like as well, or even do like a layering with this jacket. But I still think I want to look in the men's department to see if there's some better options. Found this suit. Doing a suit would be really fun. Looks a little bit, it's kind of short in the sleeves. This could work. I feel like because these sleeves are so short, I need some kind of fun sleeve to come out, and maybe like a vest or something to go with it. I think these are old uniform pants. Like some nice structure to them. All these like subtle pinstripe pants. These are very cute. So I tried on this suit and it actually fits. So I'm thinking I want to style up a look with this. I just need to figure out all the extra trimmings. $10 shirt with this. I feel like this could be good. Let's see. I think this is cute. I like it all buttoned up like this. It has more of a tailored feel to it, so I think it looks kind of very tomboy, schoolgirl, schoolboy, something like that. I don't know if this works, but I really like this vest. I feel like it takes away from the suit. Maybe I'll do something else with this vest. I really like it though. We found these really fun little shoes. I love the chunky heel. So we're gonna put, I like it with the sock. I think that makes it kind of fun. All that gray. And then this is the bag I found to go with this look. Kind of satchel. Yeah. Digging it. I want to see, would there be a layer of this coat? Yeah, I actually really like this. Adding that layer onto this. All right, London Fashion Week. There we go. So I love this look. I'm gonna try to create another one, and I found this vest and I'm just really liking it. So I'd love to create a look with this vest. I also, where did they go? I found some really great pants. These, I gotta see how they look on. But this kind of reminds me of like Sloane Ranger vibes a little bit. So I think that could be kind of cute to do. I tried on the corduroy pants and they're working. I think they're fun. I'm liking the idea of maybe this with it and maybe a cool sweater underneath. So I'm gonna see what I have. I mean, this is like very classic. Let's see what this one looks like on. I'm seeing some Princess Diana magic happening on the polo fields. So cute. Oh my gosh, it's literally Princess Diana. It's just happening right here.
No, you just need a hat.
I know, I need to go get a ball cap. These are legit from the 80s too. Old 80s boots. Yes, very cute. Okay, I'm gonna go look for a hat or a scarf or something. I found this one. This was like the best option that I found. I feel like Princess Diana on the go. London Fashion Week. I'm digging it. I feel like these corduroy pants are really amazing. I love them, and it really did remind me of that Sloane Ranger vibe. And so thankfully I'd found this more Fair Isle style sweater, paired it with the Brooks Brothers button down, and then this Lee jacket, which this might come home with me. It's so cute. And I can't believe these like 1980s boots. So much fun. That was so much fun as usual. I did 2 looks, and definitely I really loved that suiting moment. That felt really fun to find a suit and be able to style that up. And then when I found that puffer jacket, I did think doing something kind of Princess Diana related would be fun. I don't know if it's like fully street style, but we've got to give homage to the queen, or not the queen, the princess, Lady Di. Anyways, that was so much fun. Thanks so much for following along. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every single Thursday. And finally, always play dress up. Bye!